What's going on, roamers? How is it going? Today we got a tour video. We spent a full day seeing two places that you have to go see, no doubt. It is talked about when you're there constantly, and it was just a fantastic day. So glad we rented a car. It was amazing just driving around. And the first stop is Hierve el Agua, and then the second was Tule Tree. We made it. That was a crazy drive. We ended up getting turned around and then down this dirt pathway, or up a dirt pathway all the way up a mountain, and now we're here. It wasn't too bad. It was like, I don't know, like an hour of driving, maybe a little bit over. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. There's like some shops here, and we're really excited. We haven't done anything like this in a while.
Really excited. Today we are traveling Oaxaca and seeing some of the cool stuff that is just outside of the city. So we cannot wait to take you guys along with us and show you guys. As always, we'll have a Google Maps so you can download that. And yeah, we got our tickets. Yeah,
50 pesos each. 100 pesos, 6 Canadian dollars.
Yeah.
So 5 USD. So
can't go wrong with that.
That's not bad. Yeah.
We're gonna go swimming, hiking. Some ruins today.
Good photo opportunities.
Yeah, we're excited. Done the waterfall tour, and that was awesome.
Yeah, it was really cool.
It was beautiful.
Better than I thought.
Yeah.
A lot of people actually, we talked to them and they went and they were like kind of saying it was underwhelming, but I thought it was amazing. Like, honestly, like swimming in those pools, and then you go for a little hike and the views are just
beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
And we sat for a while and just like enjoyed the view. We swam. It was really enjoyable. We don't have time to go to the Mitla ruins, which we wanted to go to, but that's a-okay. We still have some other things we're gonna do.
Yeah.
But that was amazing. Like, I enjoyed spending the whole day there.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Gorgeous. The drive, again, beautiful.
Yeah, even driving around, I always like that. I haven't driven around in a long time, and driving up in mountains is like so cool. I've never done that, so that's very cool. Also, if you're hungry, there's tons of food to eat there. Like, you know, we got tortas, there's tacos, and all that type of stuff. So yeah, bring some cash, and you can eat. You can get drinks there. There's lots of beer. Micheladas are everywhere. So mezcal, of course. You can take some shots of mezcal if that's your thing. But yeah, it was really fun. We're just heading up the mountain here, and that we'd stop off and kind of tell you guys what was going on.
And enjoy this view, because wow.
Yeah. This is located in Santa Maria del Tule, and the main focus is this massive tree. It is beautiful, and the church right beside it, which is equally as beautiful. Felt very calm there, and just took it all in. Something you gotta see with your own eyes for sure. And about 20 pesos to get in, so very affordable. And then after, we got some food, which was really, really good food. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Definitely stay tuned for our next video. Puerto Escondido, Oaxaca. Got lots to show you guys.